Hongtai Metal has professional pre-painted steel coil production line. Your professional stitching system makes the connection of the steel belt more stable, make production more stable, as rollers are equipped with imported sensors to better control the tension. Allows us to produce steel coils with a thickness of 0.15–1.5 mm. Advanced substrate pretreatment process can improve the bonding force of coating and substrate. Also improves the corrosion resistance of the coating. After drying the moisture of the substrate, perform substrate conversion coating treatment. Increase the corrosion resistance of the substrate. Also improves paint adhesion and aging resistance. Has reached a longer service life. Advanced paint roller coating process to coat sand to bakes. One-sided coating thickness can reach 25 mm. Front and back can also be painted with different colors. Natural gas curing furnace built with the latest technology, with precise temperature control sensor, guaranteed coil temperature difference ±1 Celsius, cooled by water and air cooling. Then into the export looper. Into the winding stage, we have sun correction sensors, are more than the average factory. To ensure that the coil can be connected faster and more neatly, we ensure product quality and production efficiency through continuous technological upgrading. Welcome to Inquire.